At 18, most people are broke, stressed, and wondering where their money disappears. But what if I told you that saving your first $1,000 isn't just possible? It's easier than you think. Whether you're in school, working part-time, or just getting started with money, this is your step-by-step guide. First, get clear on why you want to save $1,000. Is it for an emergency fund, a new laptop, starting a business? When your goal is specific, it's easier to stay motivated. Write it down, stick it on your wall, remind yourself every day. You can't save what you don't track. Start by listing all your income, even if it's just birthday money or a part-time job. Then track where every dollar goes. Use a simple app like Mint, or even a notebook. Awareness is the first step to control. You don't need to stop spending completely, but cut the small leaks. Subscriptions you forgot about. Daily snacks, Uber rides you could have walked. These add up. Just cutting $5 a day saves you over $150 a month. Make saving a habit, not a choice. Open a separate savings account and set up automatic transfers. Even $10 a week adds up. When the money leaves your account before you can spend it, you won't miss it as much. You're 18. Time is your superpower. Offer tutoring, dog walking, resell clothes, deliver food, or freelance online. Even earning an extra $100 a month gets you there faster. You don't need a 9-to-5, just hustle smart. Your friends might want to eat out or go shopping, and it's tempting. But sometimes you need to say no. Remember, saving your first $1,000 is temporary sacrifice for long-term freedom. Learn to value your goals over short-term fun. Saving money is just the beginning. Start reading about budgeting, investing, and financial independence. The more you learn, the more confident you'll feel. You're not just saving $1,000. You're building a skill that pays forever. Let's break it down. To save $1,000 in 3 months, you need to save about $84 a week. That's around $12 a day. It sounds big, but it's totally doable. Sell something, skip the extras, pick up a side gig. You've got this. Most people believe you need to make a lot to save a lot. Wrong. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. At 18, saving $1,000 isn't just about money, it's about discipline, focus, and future-proofing your life. So, if you're ready to take control, start small, stay consistent, and remind yourself why you're doing this. Saving your first $1,000 is your first step toward freedom. You're young. You've got time. Use it wisely. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments how close you are to your first 1,000. You've got this.